Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to open settings and scroll down. Then choose themes section. Now you need to select themes at the bottom left corner and tap on the search bar. Finally, type in wherever you wish to and click on the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Finally, select free over here, wait a couple of seconds and tap on apply. And as you can see, after that, theme of my smartphone has changed. If you wish to switch to the default one, you need to access settings, click on themes again, but this time select menu at the bottom right corner. Now click on my stuff, select default theme and tap on apply. In order to delete one of your downloaded themes, you need to access the same settings, click on the chosen one and tap on delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!